Now that you have written your materials down, it's time for the procedures, which are the step-by-step directions of what you're going to do, explanation of what you're going to do. Okay, so you're going to write down the steps exactly as you do them or as you're going to do them. Okay, so you should include the size, the types of things, the amounts of things, where you're going to leave it. Maybe you put it by a window, what time of day, all those kinds of things. Okay, so very specific. Then I do this, write it, and then you write it numbered. So step 1, step 2, step 3. All right, if you're doing a project online, it's again, woo. All right, so go ahead and write down exactly what you're going to do. All right, so mine, I'm actually going to do it slightly different than that, but I would say step 1, measure. I'm going to measure a half a cup of oil, a half a cup of water, a half a cup of chocolate syrup, half a cup of ketchup, and half a cup of dish soap. And I'm going to start with the chocolate sauce, and I'm going to pour in my half cup of chocolate sauce. Then I'm going to carefully pour in my half cup of soap, and then ketchup. So I'll literally write down every one of those steps. Pour in the half a cup of water. Pour in carefully pour in half a cup of oil, and then I'm going to gently drop the paper clip, the popcorn seed. So I'm gonna literally write down what I do and in the order that I do it. Okay. All right. So go ahead, take some time, write down your steps or your procedures in the order that you're going to do it. All right. Make sure you write down exactly how much you're doing. So if you're doing 1 teaspoon of baking soda, write 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You're blowing up, you're doing a reaction with the baking soda, vinegar, and balloons. Put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in my balloon. Okay? Try and make it as specific as you can. All right? If you get stuck, give me a call.